it's mother versus daughter IPSY Glam Bags. So if you want to see what we got and tell us which one's better, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy.
I'm Chloe.
And we have our IPSY Glam Bag for the month of, these were actually from May. These aren't June's, but I got them late and I haven't had a chance to film it. So Bandit's sitting next to me, but you can't see him. He's laying down all crashed out. The way we do this is we each take out an item.
Why does it have my name on it?
Because it's yours.
What's that mean?
It means you now get mail at Nana's house, so you're a legal resident.
So she can't kick me out?
No, she can't kick you out. Right, this month's theme is ahead of the pack. I did get a little card with mine that went over everything. Does yours? Open that up and see if it goes over everything in there. It does. All right, you're gonna
my name on this? Oh no, it didn't.
You're gonna have to read them though. I don't have my glasses.
Oh.
I don't know where they are.
All right.
Okay, so this is the bag this month. Both of us got the same bag. It's got a cute little pink tab. It's a really pretty bag this month. All right, do you want to go with this as your first item?
Oh, sure. I got, it kind of looks like those little, like, strips that look like rainbows and it's candy. It's like a headband. Soft. Isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't it look like those, like, sour candy, like, ropes that are, like,
You mean the
rainbow?
candy necklaces?
No, the rainbow rope.
Oh, okay.
The rainbow sour candies.
So this was the choice item. I actually chose it for her. I thought she would like this the most. Do you want to read the information about it on the card for me?
Well, I don't. Oh, I don't want to see everything else.
Oh, okay. Well, then let me find some
Got it.
glasses.
The super soft headband is a beauty tool you'll never know you needed. Yada yada is designed gently keep hair out of the way when you're washing your face or applying makeup.
I was really just saying the name brand and the
In the Glow on 5th Plus skincare headband.
And the retail value?
$12.
Okay, so that's her first item. Full size.
Soft.
My first item, I haven't looked in here, is by Kismet, and this is a lip gloss. I believe they called this a travel size. I don't know.
Just looks like a normal.
Size. Well, so that would mean smaller than full size.
That just looks like a normal size to me.
It does. It looks like a normal size to me.
What? And the big one, like an entire carton?
All right. So it has kind of
I'm
a
stealing
bent
that.
applicator.
I'm stealing that.
And it's a very light pink with a little bit of a gold glow.
All right.
Hold on. And so it's a plumping lip gloss in Love Struck by Kismet. So the full size would be $18, and this is a deluxe sample or travel size. Okay.
Kenny's Zest for Life.
Kenzie
Zest for Life. What is it? Zesty? Let's see. What is it? Is it like perfume?
There's the container.
Yo, now I can always be zesty.
I think it has the notes on here somewhere.
Just
the
smells
fragrance
good.
Notes. Can I show them the actual product?
Sure. Now I can always be zesty.
Might be on the side here.
Oh, let's see your ruse. Mango, nectar, pineapple, grapefruit, lemon, tangerine. For the top notes, mid notes, coconut water, fresh greens, hibiscus flower, base notes, cedarwood, sandalwood, amber, milky musk. It smells good.
It does smell
Kind
good.
of reminds me of the kind I got Bath and Body Works once when I was like 6. The zesty perfume is called Kenzie Zest for Life. I already said that. $55 for the full thing.
For the full size. This is a travel size.
Yeah.
And
zesty.
my next is the So Rich Glow Light. This is a highlighter, I'm guessing.
$20 is the normal size. So Rich single highlighter in Glow Light by So Rich.
All right, so there we go. Let's take a little look at that.
Ooh, that's pretty.
You steal that too?
Probably. Let's see. Next, I have Great Lengths Mascara.
Oh, that's a full size right there, baby.
Mm-hmm.
The Beauty Crop Great Lengths Mascara.
Oh, it's in a different container on here. You just said it, and $9, and it's not. Oh, yeah, it's full size. $9.
Besides, this isn't full size. I don't know what is. Okay, so there is the packaging, and
I'm trying this on.
there is the wand. I like those kind of wands, those thinner wands.
Oh, it's a thin wand?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. I like the thicker ones a bit better. At least it's a straight one. I don't like the curly
Alright.
ones.
I have this teeny tiny little First Aid beauty product. This is,
Oh my god, that's amazing.
well, yeah.
Oh, can I have that highlighter real quick? I'm also going to see the lip gloss, ma'am. Thank you.
Oh, my eye cream too?
No thanks. I don't think
Alright.
that'd go well with my
So
look.
this is a niacinamide eye cream in eye cream in the teeniest of sample sizes.
Hey, Mom.
What?
I can't get it out.
And this is 3 milliliters, and the full size is $36. She's turned this into a get ready with me. Do you want to maybe do that after you pull out your next item? By Brogio is the Don't Despair Repair Deep Hair Conditioning Mask. I actually own this. This is a great one. I actually got this in, it had this size shampoo and conditioner. It's a great size for the pool. Love this. This is 2 fluid ounces.
Hey, Mom, can you get me a smaller brush, please? Thank you.
What does it say the full size of this is?
$39.
$39 for the full size. That's in hers. Got an amazing bag.
I know, right?
All right.
Oh.
From the Beauty Crop, this is a brow mascara in clear. I might as well take this off because you'll probably use this too.
What is it? Mascara?
Brow mascara in clear.
Oh my god.
For your brows.
Oh,
Not your
brow.
eyes.
Oh. I don't really use brow gel.
Oh,
Why would I?
oh, just to shape those up a little bit.
I mean, there are some stray hairs up here, but other than that, I don't use it. I mean, I don't use it period, but like, I have no reason to. The only one I would need to use it on is this one because it's stray hairs. Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Can you do a little bit on this side? It's stray hairs all every day. Oh, Claire. There. That looks good. Because there's always like stray hairs.
Okay, she's got one more thing in here, but she's way too busy. And that is the...
Highlighter?
Yep, it's another highlighter by...
Same color?
No, it's in the color Jazzy.
I want to see that.
And who's it by? Jasmine Beauty Illuminating Highlighter in Jazzy. This is a deluxe sample. But I honestly think for highlighters, that's really all you need. A little bit goes a long way.
Ooh, that's also pretty.
So that's more of a pinkish color.
Let's see. I need a little bit more of this. It's so hard to open. Why?
And I put it right there.
So hard to open. Hey, Mom, can you please open this? Thanks.
And there's the Jazzy.
Thanks. I don't like the Jazzy as much.
Oh,
I like it a lot. Don't
it's a
get
light
me.
pink. See?
Don't get me wrong. I like it a lot.
That's a nice eyeshadow topper.
But the look I go for nowadays
And then my last item here is a tinted moisturizer.
Oh, tinted? Gimme,
Yep.
gimme, gimme.
This is by The Balm Cosmetics. It's in number 18. This is obviously a deluxe sample. Let's take a look at the color. So there is the color. Actually, here we go.
What? Thanks. Thanks. I was feeling a bit red.
All right, so that is a pretty good match for me.
I think it's a good match for me.
And
all your what they called again? Concealers and foundations are like way too dark. And if they're too dark for me, they're
not
probably
that
too
Charlotte Tilbury one is very light.
Which one?
The Charlotte Tilbury one.
I don't know. Tell me
Okay,
what
we'll
it
have
looks
to-
like.
It's got the gold top.
Oh.
That's very light, and I usually mix that with something a little bit darker to get just the right shade.
What I use for my foundation is, you know those stick ones? And there's 2 stick foundations?
Yeah.
I use the lighter of the 2 stick foundations
Mhm.
as a kind of like a dual for both of them.
Oh.
So, this is the... Oh, let me just rub this in a little bit better. Here we go. What do you think?
Mm-hmm.
It's natural, it's pretty. What I go for nowadays, that stick I got that's like periwinkle sparkles, I use that, and then I use the brown under the eyes, very light brown, and then I use a little bit of pink, like this part of the eye, and it looks really, really pretty with a little bit of mascara, and then I just lay on my lip gloss. Let's see.
Anything else you got put on?
No. I'll just show the camera. I don't even know if they can see it. There you go.
All right, so those are our bags. To recap, only because it's very hard to know what I got and what she got, because it's really all what she got.
Yeah, because I took all of it, or most of it.
Can I see my highlighter?
My
And my lip
highlighter,
gloss?
sure. In my lip gloss, it doesn't really feel like a plumper. Sure. I'll let you see my stuff.
All right, I got the
We
So
got-
Rich Illuminator,
I really like
the Kismet lip gloss,
Dad, do you like my makeup?
the
Oh.
tinted moisturizer, the eye cream, the Niacinamide First Aid Beauty eye cream, and the clear eyebrow gel. And I think those were some pretty nice products. Obviously, Chloe thinks so too. And
Yeah.
Chloe got
Yeah.
the
Moisturizer.
deep conditioning mask,
Oh, my Zest for Life.
Zest for Life spray,
My amazing
mascara,
highlighter. And a cool headband that's used for like washing your face and putting face masks on. And a cute bag.
All right, so let us know your thoughts. Who had the better bag this month?
Well, both of my things were pretty cute.
I think they're both hers.
They are! Yeah, because we like to share around here, don't we? Just like that's my hoodie, but I'm letting you use it because sharing is caring.
It's whose hoodie?
It's my hoodie.
Since when? Since you took it and put it in your closet, is that how it became your hoodie?
No, I found it on my bed one day, so I just took it.
Oh. Okay. All right. Well, let us know your thoughts. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, we'll see you soon.